everyone. I hope you all are keeping well. Children, do you know it is said that a day without a smile is useless. So first of all, let me see your beautiful big smile. Very good. Okay, now children, I welcome you all to the online classes from Shri Vashisht Vidyalaya. Okay, and today I have come with maths subject. I hope you remembered my name. No problem. My name is Harpreet Neela. So let's see and start our journey of learning. So here we are with maths subject where we are going to play with numbers. Okay, so in maths today our topic is word problems. Now you must be thinking, what is the meaning of word problems? Yes, let's see. First question is, what is a word problem? So let me tell you children, a word problem is a few sentences describing a real life scenario where a problem needs to be solved by a way of a mathematical calculation. Okay, so children, a problem will be given in sentences. By reading it, you have to do the mathematical calculation, means you have to do the counting of the numbers, whether it can be of addition or subtraction, because as you have previously learned about addition and subtraction, right? Now you must be thinking, अरे मैम नहीं समझ में आया, what are you talking about? No problem, I am having several examples through which you will learn and understand it properly. Okay, so let's move. First of all children, look here. Okay, let's revise what you have learned previously. Here you can see, what is the sum? Sum means it is the another word used for addition. Okay, so first when you see the sum, don't be confused. First of all, you just see the sign properly. You can see the sign, it is a plus sign. Which sign it is? Plus means you have to do the total. So first number, as previously told by ma'am to you, that you have to keep the first number in mind and second number on fingers. Okay, so first number 5 in mind, after 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so answer is 10. This is how we are doing the addition. And now let's move. Okay, what is the difference? Now here you can see the new word and you must be thinking, ma'am, what is the meaning of difference? But don't be confused my child. Difference is another word for subtraction only. Okay, so as I told you, when you see the sum, first of all you just pay your attention towards the sign. Here you can see it is a minus sign. Minus means to take away. Okay, so here what you have to do, as previously told by ma'am in video, first number you have to open on your fingers. I cannot show you the fingers, but I can draw lines. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 fingers. Okay, and then second number is 3. So you have to take away 3. You can cut away 3. 1, 2, 3. And now you can count the remaining 1, 2 and 3, and 3 is your answer. So this is how we are doing the sums, right? And now it's time to let's get practical and think practically. Okay, so we are going to see some examples which we can relate to our lives practically. But before that you have to keep some points while doing the word problems. Okay, आपको कुछ important points हैं जो ध्यान में रखने हैं word problem करते time. जैसे already I have told you, word problem is an addition or subtraction story. But how to solve it? सबसे पहले क्या करना है? First of all, read the problem carefully. Okay, 2 to 3 times you read the problem carefully and try to understand what is being said in the problem. Then circle the important numbers. Very important. The numbers, the digits which are given in the statement, you circle it. Underline important words. Words like total, in all, left, take away. Such words will indicate you whether it is an addition or subtraction sum. Next is you can draw a picture also, okay, to do the sum easily. And lastly you can write down the numbers and calculate using your fingers, as you are already doing in first standard. Now you are grown-ups, right? And now you can see here how you can identify it is an addition sum. All these words will indicate you all together, total, more, combine, and how you can come to know whether it is an subtraction sum. These all words like take away, minus, less, left will tell you about those sums. Okay, so now we are going to see some examples. Let's see. Wow, this is a beautiful picture of a pond. Okay, so pay attention over here, children. There are two ducklings in the pond. You can see the ducklings? Okay, and after that what happened? Two more ducklings joined them. And now, how many total ducklings are there? Okay, so you heard the question properly. पहले two ducklings थी, two ducklings और join हो गई. So children, here the main point is here the adding is going on. Adding मतलब join हो रहे हैं. The number is increasing. So this is an addition sum. Okay, so we have to count the total number. How many total? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total ducklings are how many? 4. My dear students, now we are going to see the same example in a word problem form. Okay, so read it carefully. In a pond there were two ducklings. Two more ducklings joined them. How many total ducklings are there? So first of all you have to pay attention on the word total. Total means to plus, to add. How we are going to do it? First of all, there were two ducklings in the pond, and after that, two more joined them. So, as we know, it is an addition sum. So, what we are going to do? We are going to do addition. So, how we are going to do? First of all, first number you will keep in mind. 2 in mind. And next 2 on fingers. Okay. So, 2 in mind, and after 2 on fingers, after 2, 3 and 4. So your answer is 4. So total ducklings are 4. So this is how you can do you can solve the word problem. Okay, now we are on the second example. Okay, again read the second example carefully. There were 7 birds sitting on a tree. Imagine, there were 7 birds sitting on a tree. Out of it, 3 birds flew away. Okay, 7 birds tree पे बैठे हुए थे. Out of it मतलब 7 में से 3 flew away, उड़ गए. How many birds are left? L-E-F-T, left means कितने बचे. So this is a subtraction sum. So let's see how we are going to solve it. First of all, there were how many birds? 7 birds sitting on a tree. Afterwards, how many birds flew away? कितने उड़ गए? 3. So this is, the number is decreasing, कम हो गए. So this is a subtraction sum. Now how we are going to do subtraction sum? First of all, you will open your 7 fingers. Okay, chalo, everybody do it with me. Open your 7 fingers, and the second number is 3. So we will cut 3 fingers. 1, 2 and 3. Here we are cutting 3 fingers. Now your answer is the remaining fingers. So let's count how many fingers are remaining. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here the answer is 4. So see my dear children, how easily we can solve the word problem. Okay, by reading it carefully and counting the numbers properly. Now do you want to see this example in practical way? Let's see. Wow, what a beautiful tree. Okay, so on this tree how many birds are sitting? Let's count it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Okay, 7 birds are sitting on the tree, and from this 7 birds, 1, 2 and 3. 3 birds flew away, उड़ गए. Now how many birds are remaining? कितने बचे? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So see how correctly we have done the word problem right now. Now let's move. Okay my children, now it's practice time. We are going to solve some more word problems. Are you all ready? Let's see the first one. The first one is there are dash bees, means you have to count these bees in the hive, and dash bees more fly in. इतनी bees है वो और join हो गई. How many bees are in hive in all? In all मतलब this word is very important. In all means you have to find the total. So first of all, what you are going to do? First of all, you are going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 bees were already in the hive. How many joined? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So now we can calculate it mathematically. Let's do it. So already there were 7 bees in the hive. 4 more bees fly in, join हो गए. So this is an addition sum. This is an addition sum. So what you will do? 7 in mind, 4 on fingers, and after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and the answer is 11. Very good. Now let's move to the second one. You can see the balloons. Wow, your favorite ones. Okay, you have dash balloons. So first of all, you have to count how many balloons are there. Out of 8, you pop up dash balloons. उसमें से आपने जो balloons दिए हैं वो pop up कर दिए, burst कर दिए. How many balloons are left? Now the word is very important. Left मतलब बच गए, remaining. So it indicates that it is an subtraction sum. Okay. So आपको first of all क्या count करना है? Balloons कितने थे? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 balloons. You were having 6 balloons. And how many balloons you popped up? कितने आपने popped up किए? 1, 2 and 3. Now let's see how we will do it mathematically. Okay, by using the digits. So there were 6 balloons. You were having 6 balloons. Out of 8, you popped up 3. That means it is a minus sum. So you popped up मतलब आपने burst कर दिए. So out of 6 में से if 3 burst हो गए, how many balloons are remaining? 3. So your answer is 3. So this is how we can solve the word problem. Yes, students, now this is your home assignment time, and you can do this assignment in any rough page, in notebook, whatever you are having. Okay, so you have to solve these 2 problems very importantly. So let's read it. First one is draw. You have to count the stars, okay, and you have to draw the stars and then cross out 4 stars. उतने स्टार्स ड्रॉ करने हैं और फिर उसमें से 4 को क्रॉस आउट, कट आउट करना है. And then how many stars are left? Very important word, left. This indicates you whether it is a subtraction or addition sum. We have already done it, right, when we were practicing. And my dear students, you will solve the sum here. Next one is second one. Sia has 3 ice cream cones and 2 cupcakes. Ice creams. How many total ice creams Sia has? Total. Again, this word is indicating you what you have to do, whether you have to add or you have to minus. And don't forget, you have to do the calculation over here. I hope, my dear students, you have understood about word problems and you will be able to solve it. And with that note, I wish you to stay home, stay safe and take care of yourself and keep studying. Thank you very much. Bye.